Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do internal linking on a WordPress website using SEOPress. Now, this is the back end of my website. There's a bunch of articles back here we're getting ready to publish, and I want to add internal linking to this article right here. And the reason internal linking is important is because it keeps the traffic, the people reading your articles on your website. So if something catches their eye, they might click on that anchor text inside the article and stay on your website. So on the WordPress dashboard, if you're not here yet, you'll click onto All Posts, and then you'll find the article that you want to do the internal linking on and click Edit. Okay, so what we're going to do is click onto the SEOPress logo on the left sidebar on the bottom, and we're going to see all of the internal links that SEOPress recommends. So right here, we're going to copy this first link, and it recommends putting it in the word you. So right here where it says SEO, near the top area, there's an X to the right-hand side right here. So we're going to click that X, and then it brings us back to that article. And I'm on Mac, I'll click Command F, and on PC it might be Control F, and then you can type the word you, and that will highlight all of the word you all over this article. Wow, we use that word a lot. Look at all of the U's in here. That's a little bit crazy. But I usually don't like to put links at the very, very top because I want people to at least read some of the article. So I'm going to go ahead and look at that article, and this is about meeting Mr. Right. So imposter syndrome does actually come into play with dating. So it does make sense to actually link to an article about dating Mr. Right, because women do have feelings of imposter syndrome when they meet men sometimes. So we're going to highlight that text right there. And then, okay, I couldn't see the link, so I needed to make that a little bit smaller here. So I'm going to go ahead and click you, and then I'm going to click the little link at the top, paste that link into here, and click the enter button. And that adds the external link right there into an article on your site. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the SEOPress plugin here. We're going to go ahead and copy Pride, Why You Should Maintain It. Let's go ahead and click on that link and look at it. So this is about how to have pride. And I can look and see here, there's not a lot of internal links in this article. So that's definitely one that we want to add more internal links to. So this is about pride, why you should maintain it. We're going to go ahead and copy that link, click on this X to the right-hand side, and SEOPress recommended Dawn. I'm not sure what that's about, but I'm going to go ahead and try to find something about that. Okay, maybe it meant to say the word don't. We're going to go ahead and just anchor text that word right there and pop it right there. You don't have what it takes. Okay, so let's go back to the SEOPress plugin. Breakup recovery, 5 ways to get over it. Let's look at this article. This gives you, we have one outbound link in there, and let's see if it's actually, that actually goes to a totally different website. I've written for Thought Catalog. I thought it might have been one of my articles, but it isn't. But we're going to go ahead and, wait, that was 10 tips for being single and happy. Okay. I'm going to actually go ahead and do this feeling one here. What to do when you're single, 5 principles. And it recommends doing the word feeling as the anchor text for the link. So we're going to X out of here, open up this article here, hit Control F and type in the word feeling. And then I'm going to anchor text the word feeling right here with that link and click enter. So we can make sure that works. There it pops up that link right there. Awesome. We're going to go back to the SEOPress plugin here. And then it also gives us the word food, and it recommends the word that. Don't know why, but that's what it does. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and we're going to go back to the blog post, Click that X button to get up to the blog. And let's see if there's something we could find that has to do with food or maybe health. It doesn't have to be exactly, but it's good to keep people on your website. And you can highlight more than one word, but you can also highlight one word if you want to do that. Let's see. Where are we? Let's see. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and put doubt. That doesn't make the most sense, but you can actually look for the articles that make the most sense. I'm going to go ahead and put moving forward because you could be moving forward and learning how to cook for yourself. Okay, so we've got some internal links here, which is looking great. And remember, the reason we do that is so people stay on our website. And we're going to go ahead and click save. And that's it. It's super easy. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. If you've gotten some content from me that you enjoy, please leave a comment, subscribe, like my channel, all the good stuff. I can't wait to see you soon.